Most people think $10,000 is just a money, a number, a small milestone, nothing life changing. But what if I told you the first 10k is where everything begins to change? Not your bank balance, but you. Everyone wants money, freedom, time, control over their life. But most people never even reach 10k. Not because it's impossible, but because they quit before the transformation happened. Because the first 10k is not about money, it's completely a task. Making your first $100 feels exciting. Your first $1,000 even better. But $10,000, that's where the things get different. Because to reach 10k, you can't rely on luck anymore. You cannot just try. You need discipline, patience, consistency. And most people don't have all three. That's why they stay stuck and never ever crossing the line. But something strange happens. When you finally reach that number, it's not loud, it's not dramatic. It's quiet but powerful. You stop thinking like someone who hopes and you start thinking like someone who knows. You realize money isn't magic, it's predictable, repeatable, controllable. And that changes everything. Before making $10,000, you doubt yourself. Can I really do this? Is this even possible for me? After making $10,000, that voice disappears. Proof that you can earn, proof that you can grow, and the proof that you are not stuck. And confidence is more important than money itself, because once you believe, you start taking big actions. Before hitting your first 10k, every decision feels risky, every move feels scary. But after your 10k, you start seeing the opportunities instead of problems. You can invest in skills, start something new, and take calculated risk. Because now you are not surviving anymore. You are thinking ahead. Here is the truth. No one tells you. The first 10k is the hardest you will ever make. Not because of money, but because of who you have to become. You have to outgrow procrastination, distractions, excuses. You have to become focused, disciplined, and relentless. But most people would rather stay comfortable than go through that changes. But once you cross it, everything speeds up, because now you understand the game. You know how money follows, you know how to create value, and you know how to repeat the process. And that 10k becomes 20k, then 50k, and then 100k. Not instantly, but inevitably. Your first 10k won't magically change your life, but it will change you, and once you change, everything else follows. So the real question is, will you stay where it's comfortable, or push yourself through the hardest phase until you become someone who can never go back? Because the first 10k is never about the money, it's about who you become to earn it. If you want to understand money, not just chase it, then this channel is for you. This is the beginning of your blueprint. If you want more money, then subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.